everybody. It's time for the biggest testing event of the year as Lambda Test proudly announces the latest edition of TestMu. I'm Maneesh, the Chief Operating Officer at Lambda Test, and I can't wait to have you join us for this exciting 3-day virtual event. Last year, we had speakers from Google, Microsoft, UiPath, Deloitte, Meta, Accenture, Grafana Labs, and many more sharing their testing best practices, with attendees from across 105 countries. This year, we're expecting more test evangelists to make this event bigger and better. The TestMu Conference is all about bringing the community closer and creating a collaborative ecosystem to foster innovation. It's for the community, by the community. This 3-day event is happening from the 21st to the 23rd of August this year and will feature insightful talks, panel discussions, live demos, and workshops. Plus, you get an opportunity to showcase your testing skills by participating in our daily challenges and winning exciting prizes. As all things community, this conference is open to all. So if you're someone who wants to shape the future of testing, register now to join the heartful conversation on the future of testing. See you there.